Hi, if you are watching this video, let's put these few minutes to good use together. Right now, with no excuses, let's do some small exercises. By the way, I have also been working for a long period of time, watching at the screen, so it is a perfect time for the eyes. Let's put everything aside and begin. Look up and down for 10 seconds. I'll keep count so that you are not distracted by the screen. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now move your eyes to the sides. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With your eyes, visually draw a circle. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now rotate them in the opposite direction. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Move your eyes diagonally up and down. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now change direction. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Draw a figure 8 with your eyes vertically. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then switch directions. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now draw a figure 8 horizontally. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now switch directions. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold your finger at arm's length. Move it using a zigzag pattern without taking your eyes off it for a minute. You get everybody staring for days. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Squeeze your eyes closed tightly. Hold for 3 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold your gaze for 5 seconds at a closer point and at the most distant point for 1 minute. Since that day
you haven't seen the best of me yet. There's nothing like you and me together, and your eyes have been so hard to forget. But there's something you're trying to hide.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lastly, blink your eyes rapidly for 1 minute. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Were the exercises difficult? Did it take a long time? Not at all. See you, and I'll keep working on the technical difficulties.